Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to use the bar replay in GoCharting in 2026. For that, first of all, you need to come here on GoCharting.com. Afterwards, you just have to log in into your account if you haven't already. When this is done, simply use this search bar in order to open the chart of that particular asset which you want to analyze. So as you can see, I've currently opened the chart of XAUUSD. So over here, in order to use the bar replay feature, you just have to hover over to the top and select this particular option that says replay. So when you click on it once, you are going to see this type of toolbar right next to it. So now you just have to basically select this particular line and click on the chart where you want to start the replay. So let's say I want to start the replay from this particular date. So I've clicked on it, and as you can see, all the previous chart is now removed, and now I can start replaying it from this particular place. So with the help of this toolbar, what you can do is you can place this play button, and as you can see, the candles are going to start moving. You can also use this slider in order to change the duration of these candles over here. You can then use this particular calendar in order to see the current pricing on your chart. So this is the current view, but for replay you just have to click on the option of replay. Then you just have to click on that particular candle from where you want to start the replay. After that, you just have to use this toolbar and click on the option of play. So that's how you can basically do it. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.